Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing another Lego Duplo Bob the Builder set. It's called Bob and Muck Repair the Barn. This set that came out back in 2001. That's quite a long time ago. I'm sure Bob and the Machines had to repair the barn for Farmer Pickles in the episode Bob's Barn Raising. The final Bob's Barn Raising is a final Bob the Builder first series episode. So let's do this. So in this set there is Farmer Pickles' barn. You see it had those printed wood piece on these brown 1x2 Duplo bricks, and it had in the barn it had two yellow 1x2 yellow Duplo bricks with printed hay straws on it. I bet Bob and the Machines had put all the hay straws in the barn so it will keep them dry by the rain. And so it had the blue one X 2 blue Duplo brick with a printed drill and a wrench thing. And here's a big 2x8 green Duplo brick with a printed bush with Spud was hiding behind it. So it comes with this ladder. But unfortunately, because I've got this set out of eBay, but somebody had forgotten to put the sack, because the real sack is missing in the set. So here's Muck the bulldozer. You see Muck's roof can be opened and closed, Has a nice printed face. I can move his big shovel. Up and down. It had the dump bucket. So I can dump it. So and it has nice caterpillar wheels. And the single Duplo figure is an original Bob. You see Bob's arms and hands are all white. You see on the back of Bob's head it had a printed of his hair on the back. And it has a printed dungarees on it with tools around him. And he wears his yellow hard hat on. So I got this current Duplo figure of Bob the Builder from the 2005 or 6 Bob the Builder sets. So both of these Bobs look similar, and the back of this current Bob that has a printed hair on the back. So I can put Bob's hand on. So I can put Bob's hand on this thing, so he would ride on Muck while he sets off for work, or go home after they finished work. But it comes with this instruction booklet that don't come with it. Well, anyway, Bob and Muck had been finished repairing the bomb. Just before the thunderstorm approaching. But and while Bob and Muck went back home, they didn't notice one of the Duplo aliens from the Lego Movie 2 was about to destroy the barn. Oh no! That naughty Duplo alien had destroyed Farmer Pickles' barn. And when the rain settled, and the hay straws will soak. The next day when the thunderstorm is over, Bob and Muck came back to rebuild the barn. To rebuild Farmer Pickles' barn up again. There we go. Now Bob had rebuilt the barn again. And now Bob and Muck sets off home. So you guys, what do you think about this Bob the Builder's barn raising set? So I'll be back for another video soon.